Yeah, hello guys, this is your boy Kwame guy. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Because what I have for you, it's mind blowing. It's mind blowing. You see, today what I have for you, I decided that you see, most of the times the eggs that we used to fry and stuff, we normally fry 2 and 3. You see, but today I have the 4 crates here. 4 crates here. I'm going to fry all of them together and see how big it is. I'm going to chew all of them. Hey, so join me, and write something in the comment section if you want to enjoy some with me. This be the egg. Hey, let's go. So I'm going to break them into this. Okay, they are 24 in all. So let's go. So this be the egg. This be the egg. Everybody in the egg now share. So let's go. So take this one. Fast. There we go. Today, what? A bit chilly too. I want to break them like this, and then you basi was so Charlie. Have you tried some before? You are wondering, hey, today we are doing what you haven't seen some before. You will see. Hi. If like you won't come, then eat with me. Let me see you in the comment section. Hi. So far, have you seen someone frying even up to 10 eggs before? No. You don't normally see this. Today, hey, right now. So I've break all of them. Okay. You see, I've break all of them. Guys, I'll break all of them. Join me. Okay, so the next thing is I will add cabbage and stuff. So this is the cabbage. This is the cabbage. You see, fresh cabbages and stuff. Okay, and also as well onion and stuff. But this is the onion. So I'm going to wash them. Let me put this one here and put this one aside, because I'm done with this one, so I'm putting it aside. With the cabbage I'll wash them, because you have to wash them. You have to wash it with running water, and also with the onion I wash it, so that I'm done with it. So I'll start chop the cabbages into pieces. So this be the knife. Let me take the big knife. Okay. So now the cabbage, I have to start chop because it is, the egg is mini, so I have to, the cabbage I need to, chop it. You have to chop it in the size that you want. You don't have to let it to be, big stew as well, because you have to chop them, small. You have to chop the cabbage. And then today. Okay, so I'm done with the cabbage. Oh yeah, I'm done with the cabbage. And also with the onion, with the onion as well. So with this one, I'll be chopping the onion because normally when frying eggs, we add cabbage, and onion, vegetables here, right? All right. All right. So I'm done with that. Catch you. So hello guys, I've changed the location because there was light out, inside. So I have to change the location and come outside. So right now I have to put the vegetables into the, to the bowl where I have my eggs. The eggs, they are here. So if you can see, 30 pieces, right? So I'm going to put all the vegetables inside. I'm going to put all the vegetables, the one that I chopped, inside, and okay, so I have to put the vegetables inside. Vegetables today they go be yeah. Already the basic what I say. So I already maybe see it has not happened before. I've not seen some in my entire life before. So today, all right. After that, I have to turn them over. I have to turn it over. Today, the egg. Gosh. As you can see. So all right, so after that I have to put salt inside. Salt, this is the salt. I have to iodinated one. Salt inside. I have to put salt inside. After that try and mix it to form a uniform mixture. Guys, and then make it be goes away. Let me test if let me put small salts. If you are not careful, you destroy it with the salt. So Now I am done with this, so I have to set my fire on. So let me close it and set my fire on. Let me set my fire on. I have, now my fire is on. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So after that, I have to bring my saucepan. Woo! The egg. That's right. And because, and also with my oil, vegetable oil, vegetables oil, right? So I'll put my oil inside, right? I'll put my oil inside, right? And I have to allow it to be very hot, because the eggs, it is many. If I don't allow it to be very hot, I might end up spoiling the whole thing. There's it. All right. So I have to let it be on it, guys. What do you think? What do you think about this? This thing. Let me see it in the comment section. If you wanna try what I'm doing here, you see, let me see it in the comment section. Hi, today. All right. So, the oil is hot, so I have to turn it into it. I have to put my egg into it. Okay, so I go. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is it. All right, so because it is plenty, I have to cover it for the heat to catch it. You have to wait for at least 3 minutes for you to turn it over. See you. Ish. Guys, so because of how it is, the turning, I thought I'll have it easy in turning it, but guys, it's not easy. It's not easy when you are turning it, because it's many. You have to be adding oil to it. Right, so you see how guys, the egg is ready now. Guys, the egg is ready now. If you see how it has become, I thought like I will have it full, but because the saucepan is very small, I was not able to, make it like the way I wanted it to be. So if like I should have used a big saucepan for that one, I would have it like together. So with this one, now it is ready. I have to turn off the fire. I have to turn off my fire. So I have to turn off my fire. Oish! Wonders shall never end. You know, put them here. You see how? Oish! Kaish. Kaish. Now it's ready for me to, eat it. All right. So guys, join me. Let's eat. So guys, it's ready for me to, taste it. Ha. Kaish. Ah. Yes. Ah, it's very delicious. You want to eat some? Come, write in the comment section. Let's enjoy. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this thing, please subscribe, like, and share for more. I'm going to bring you more, Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye. I'm going to eat it. Let's eat it in the comment section. Let's all eat. Bye bye.